As demand for decentralized technology grows, Toncoin, $Ton, has emerged as a platform expanding its utility and practical use cases. Especially with Telegram integrating a Web3 wallet via the Ton Foundation, many investors are eager to know the Toncoin price prediction. However, can Ton become the next big thing? In today's video, I will be covering Ton's predictions for the coming years and the factors that influences Ton's prices. Stick with me till the end to find out more. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates from the world of cryptocurrencies in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we extend a special welcome to you. We invite you to hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Now, let's dive in. What is Toncoin? The open network, Ton, is a decentralized, comprehensive internet platform composed of components: Ton blockchain, Ton storage, Ton DNS, and Ton sites. The Ton blockchain integrates these distinct parts as a core element, forming a holistic Ton ecosystem. The network aims to enhance cross-chain interoperability in a scalable and secure environment, aspiring to support hundreds of millions of users and handle millions of TPS transactions per second. But what exactly is Toncoin? Toncoin, or Ton, is a unique, community-driven Layer 1 blockchain native to this network. Launched in 2018 by founders Nikolai Durov and Pavel Durov, it's characterized by its fast, cheap, and energy-efficient transactions. The Ton blockchain's scalability and reliability stem from its proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. By supporting third-party applications, Ton allows users to securely send, receive, and store funds. The Ton ecosystem envisions a decentralized environment featuring storage and services, a domain name system, DNS equivalent, an instant payment platform, an anonymous network, and swift transaction processing. In a test run previously, the blockchain processed an impressive 55,000 TPS. The platform leverages a sharding-based multi-level structure, with each shard performing specific tasks. This innovative design helps reduce latencies, prevent the buildup of unverified blocks, and accelerate transactions. Additional unique elements, such as the self-healing vertical blockchain mechanism and Toncoin wallet, further contribute to the system's speed, reliability, and scalability. Finally, Ton's utility extends to Ton storage, allowing private encryption via the owner's wallet key. The Ton DNS operates on a decentralized name system, enabling traditional websites to function on the Ton network. And the Ton proxy provides access to the Ton blockchain through decentralized VPNs. Soon after Toncoin's debut, its price stayed in a tight range as it saw a consolidation phase on its charts till October 2021. The coin spiked past the $5 mark in early November 2021, reaching its ATH. This occurred after a staking event organized by the OKX crypto exchange. 1 million Ton coins were set to reward those who staked their OKB tokens. But the ATH levels were short-lived, as prices soon fell. In 2022, Toncoin experienced a downturn. Despite this, the coin returned from a 80-cents low mid-year, to reach $2.40 by the end of the year, showing its ability to rebound. Ton started 2023 with a few months of sideways action, between $2 and $2.40. From March 2023, Toncoin struggled with a downturn after hitting a hurdle at the $2.50 resistance level. It fell below the 20/5200 EMAs. EMA stands for Exponential Moving Average. Think of it as a way to track an asset's price over time but with more emphasis on recent prices. In simple terms, if you're looking at a 20-day EMA, it's like getting an average of the past 20 days' prices but with more weight given to the prices from the last few days. This decline below the EMAs hinted at a bearish bias. Soon after, Toncoin charted a double bottom setup on its daily chart. A double bottom setup is a chart pattern that looks like the letter W, and is typically seen as a sign that the current downtrend may reverse into an uptrend. However, the sellers invalidated this reversal pattern as the Ton market continued to display a strong edge for bears. As a result, by June 10, it plunged to a 10-month low and then fell even further in July, and by early August the price had dipped below $1.20, its lowest price in more than a year. While September is typically a negative month for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market. An announcement by Telegram that the Ton Foundation would be building its Web3 ecosystem has seen the price spike. Telegram, which has almost 800 million users globally, is a wildly popular messaging app, especially in crypto circles. with projects built on the Ton blockchain getting priority access to the messaging app's advertising platform. And Ton Foundation also developing the crypto wallet feature on the app. A global rollout will begin in November 2023. In just 1 month, Ton is up 86%, with the majority of those gains coming since the announcement was made on September 13th. So, what are the factors that influences the price of Toncoin? Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings in the crypto space. Like any other crypto, Ton's price is influenced by various factors. Let's look at these factors specific to TON. Network utility. Toncoin's utility within the Ton ecosystem can also impact its price. As these services gain traction, it could increase Ton's demand, pushing its price. For instance, the Ton Foundation's partnership with messaging app Telegram has pushed the price up nearly 90% in just a month, with the blockchain building a Web3 ecosystem for one of the most popular messaging apps in the world. Adoption of Toncoin Wallet. The Toncoin Wallet, designed to facilitate fast, cheap, and energy-efficient transactions, is a vital part of the Ton ecosystem. If it becomes widely adopted due to its unique benefits, it could help Toncoin surge. Adoption and use. Toncoin powers Ton's many services, such as Ton Storage and Ton DNS, offering private encryption and a decentralized naming system. As these services gain popularity and more users join, Toncoin demand might increase, boosting its price. Overall market sentiment. Like any other crypto, the overall sentiment in the crypto market can heavily impact Ton's price. Positive news about Ton or the broader crypto market can increase investment, driving up the price. Regulatory news. Lastly, crypto regulations can affect Ton's price. Positive regulatory news can boost investor confidence, whereas negative news can cause price declines. Now, down to Toncoin future price predictions. Toncoin price prediction for 2023. Toncoin, worth $8.5 billion, has gained momentum from the Telegram announcement and is currently in the top 10 cryptos. However, analysts predict a bearish sentiment for 2023, with the price expected to remain between $2.20 and $2.50 by December 2023. Toncoin token price prediction for 2024. In 2024, Toncoin's performance will be influenced by market momentum, growing developer engagement, and the ETH-Ton bridge. Bullish trends could push the coin to $4.50, while the $3.70 level could support the year's lows. The upcoming Bitcoin halving in April could also boost demand and drive Ton's price. Ton price prediction for 2025. Investors are seeking top cryptos amid market slump. Toncoin's performance in 2025 will be influenced by market conditions and strategic developments like Elector and Config Update, slashing optimization, and scalability and speed showcase. These could attract more users and potentially reach $6.60 by 2025. Ton price prediction for 2030. Investors are seeking the best cryptos to trade, with Toncoin's performance in 2025 largely influenced by market conditions. The blockchain tech sector's growth is expected to drive Ton's future, with upgrades like the Jet Bridge and collator and validator separation. Ton's price could reach $25 by 2030, but could stabilize at $19. Despite a mixed start to the year, Toncoin has shown incredible growth in recent weeks after a major partnership with Telegram was announced. The messaging app, which has nearly 800 million users, is having its entire Web3 ecosystem built by the Ton Foundation, with a crypto wallet to be rolled out globally on the app from November. That partnership could lead to other partnerships and will also come with benefits for projects that build on the Ton blockchain, further enhancing its utility and popularity. With future strategic upgrades potentially boosting utility and demand, Toncoin could see long-term growth, making it a crypto to watch. Before investing in any crypto, understanding risk tolerance and keeping tabs on market changes is crucial. However, with over 10,000 active cryptos, investors need to stay updated on promising coins. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments section. Write us anything down here, we are very eager to read you. Always remember that you are an important part of our community. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, Don't miss any of our content and don't forget to follow us on our new Instagram account at FactMakeMoney. See you in a future opportunity to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community. Thanks for watching.